Hello, this is Sarah Bruner, and I thought I would give you a quick tutorial to show you how easy it is to create a matching game using the program Flippity. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to flippity.net. And there are several options for games on flippity.net. You can do a game show, flashcards. There's great things, a scavenger hunt. You can use it for randomizing or number picker or those kind of things. But today we're going to use it to make a matching game. So you're going to want to find matching game on your screen, and you're going to want to click on the template. Now this is a great little site because the first thing you can do is you can actually look at it and it shows you a demo of the game. So it kind of shows you how it works. Bam, look at that. We got our answer correct. So it's just like your typical matching game. Now you can also do a memory game where this is more of like memory, but you could also do a matching game to where all the cards are already flipped over and you're just trying to match them up, which is what we're going to do today. So this is your demo page. Then you could also click on instructions, which is going to walk you through how to create it. You can click on this template right here and it'll send you right to the template, or you can, from the launching site, you can click on template. So we're going to do that. We're going to click on template, and then we're going to make a copy in our Google account. And you just want to make sure that you are on the Google account that you want it to be saved under. I know on my computer, like right now, it is on the pink S, which means that that's my home account. And I want it to be on my, well, okay, just kidding. We'll just go ahead and go back to the home account so that I don't have to worry about requesting access. So here we are on our page. Anything that is in blue here at the top, you cannot change. It has to stay the way it is. So down here, we're going to put our terms, and then over here in this column on the right is where you are going to maybe list your definitions or whatnot. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and delete all of this. So we start with a fresh page, and then in my literacy class, or actually, well, part of our literacy curriculum is Greek and Latin roots. And so we're there having to use morphology and the understanding of the Greek or Latin root to help them determine the meaning of a word. So we've been studying it for a while, so I wanted to make a quick game or a fun game that they can use to kind of practice the word part and matching it up with the meaning. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my little cheat sheet I have here with them already on it, and I'm going to write the root trans. And then I'm going to come over to where it says alternate term, and I'm going to say across or through. And then the next one, sub, and I'm going to say under, and I'm going to continue. Let's do 3 or 4. Path, which would mean disease or feeling. Sin or sim, and that's going to be with or together. And I would continue. I've got Jen or born. I think I've got 10 or 15 words on this list. I'm not going to go ahead and type all those in right now because you don't need to see that. So after I've done that, I might go to my option box. And on this, I can choose like what color I want my cards. If I want to be red or if I want to be yellow, or, I think I want mine to be pink. So I'm going to write pink in. This done text, this is what it clicks on when they're completely finished with the activity. I know that a lot of online teachers are having students complete these and then sending them a screenshot once they've finished the activity. So a lot of teachers have suggested, instead of just putting done, maybe saying something like way to go, you've way to go, you've successfully completed this word parts match. And match. That way, they're not just taking a screenshot of another activity they've already completed and sending it to you. You can do memory or you can do match. I'm going to do this as a matching game because my purpose in doing this activity is for them to be able to match up the definition or the meaning of the word with the word part. Later on, I could switch this to a memory game that they could just play. All right, so that's all done. Now, this get the link is really important, but before you do that, you want to make sure you do one major important deal, and that is to go up here to File and Publish to the Web. So this is just telling you that you're making it visible to anyone. I want to do the entire document, so I'm going to go ahead and do Publish, and I'm going to press OK. I want to publish this selection. Alrighty, and it's going to give us a link, but I'm going to close that, and I'm going to come down here to where it says Get the Link. I'm going to click on Get the Link. Oh, before I do that, I do want to come up here and on my Google, I want to name this so that I have it in my drive as to what it is, especially since this is on my home drive. I'm going to need to switch it over. So I'm going to name this Word Parts Review, Matching Review. I'm having a hard time spelling matching. All right, that way I know what it is named, so I won't have to do that. All right, so now the great thing about this is that I'm going to go back to File, and I'm going to go to Publish to the Web, and this is going to tell you that I click down here so it automatically republishes when changes are made. So like I just went in and named that, it's going to republish it. Later on when I come back and I finish this up and put the rest of those in there, it'll republish it and it'll be ready to go. So now that I have this, I'm just going to click on my link. I can copy it, I can edit it, I can remove it, but after I have copied it, I can even place it in my Google Classroom for my kids to be able to complete. But just so we can see, I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and then here it is. And since this is, it doesn't really matter what color it is, because it's, they all show up. So I'm going to click on, let's see, Path, and let's say with or together. Well, that is not correct, so it turns red. All right, so I'm going to click off, and we're going to try another one. Let's do trans. And we know that trans means across or through. Bam, we get a green. Yes, we're successful. So we will continue. Let's do sub. We know that the word sub means under. Oops. Sub and under our match. So yippee skippy, we've done a great job. I click off of it and it goes away and I see what I have left. So we would finish with born. Let's see. Born goes with Jen. And path goes with together. Oh, not the right one. Just kidding. So path, together, and sin go together. And then we'll finish this up with path and disease. We're finished. And that's it. All right. So this is a really easy, fun game. Honestly, it's something that you could even have your kids try out on there, try to create a game and share with others just to show their knowledge. So I hope that answers any questions and give it a try. Flippity has some great games. Their scavenger hunt is fun, and it's also an awesome activity or a resource to use for teachers for like random number generators. Thank you. Oh, I bet I was over.